Alright, so today it's time for another super quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can install and use Lightroom presets on your mobile devices. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, we need to talk about the things that you need, and here you need two things. First, of course, the Lightroom mobile app. You can easily download this app from the App Store, just type in Lightroom and it should come up. And the second thing that you need is of course the preset, and in most cases you will get a DNG file. So for example, if you buy any of my Lightroom mobile preset packs, you will get a zip container with all the preset DNGs. Simply download it to your computer and open up the folder. And yes, I highly recommend to use a computer to download the DNG files, because in most cases smartphones can't really handle zip container files or they need additional apps, so it's way easier to use a computer. But yeah, basically that's everything that you need to get started. So the next step is to transfer the DNG files to your phone. And in this case I will use AirDrop because I mostly use Mac and that's the fastest way to do that. But of course you can use your favorite way to transfer the files to your phone as well. In this case it's absolutely up to you. So now the file is on my phone and I can see it in my photo gallery app right here. So what you need to do next is to open up the Lightroom mobile app and click on this plus symbol right here to add a new photo. And here you can choose how you want to add your photo. In this case I choose from camera roll because the photo is in my gallery, but if your DNG photo is in your local files on your phone, you can choose from files. And the next step is to simply select the image to import it into the Lightroom mobile app. Now click on the preset tab right here and choose the three dots in the corner. And yes, here you can create a new preset. Simply click on that, and in the new window you can now enter a preset name and select all the features that you want to save in this preset. And exactly the last step is to just save the preset and it's ready to use. So yes, now we have created the preset, and to use it just simply open up an image. So let's say for example this one right here. Next click again on presets, and here's our test preset. If you click on that you can easily apply the preset, and a couple of seconds later you can check those adjustments. In most cases you need to play around with the overall brightness, temperature and things like that, and I highly recommend to shoot raw photos to get the most out of your pictures. But yeah, exactly that's how you can easily install and use Lightroom presets on your mobile devices. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for our upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.